Yeah.
All right, so he's wondering if we're gonna fish. We just challenged our friends over here, Jared and Dad, Fritzinger there, to a fishing tournament. Who could catch the most fish in the next 10 minutes? Well, they've caught 2, we caught 0, so we had to take matters in our own hands. And now whoever wins does not have to pay for dinner, so the losers have to pay for dinner. I have a feeling we're gonna win. Well, that's 2. Didn't even see that.
Hey! That don't count. Does not count at all.
What are you talking about?
No. How many you get? How many you get that net? How
Only
many
2.
you get? None? None, huh? Cold, buddy. 30 minutes, 10 minutes, we won.
I think it's down at the bottom. It's down at the bottom. Yeah. There's 4 or 5 in there. All right. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hey, that's 12 to 2. We're winning.